One morning, my sister called me and asked me if I lived at a certain address. She said that she had read in the newspaper that I had lost money. She gave me the telephone number, and I called thinking that it was going to be something like $50, but they told me it was $2,000. I said, wow. No one could tell me exactly where the money came from. So I received that $2,000. Well, 6 months later, I got a letter from California, and California said that they had $26,775 for me. Now, I had only been to California one time for a basketball game. I never lived there. They also told me that that money had to be split between 3 other people that their names was Robinson. They said I had to submit papers proving that I lived at that address. Now this was 10 or more years ago. So I'm saying, where am I going to find a letter that proves it? But I did. So I submitted everything. And the week before Christmas, the lady called me and told me that she had the check in her hands and she was going to overnight it to me. Well, I asked her, I said, well, how much is the check for? Because I thought I had to split it with 3 other people. She came back and said it was for $26,775. I thanked her. I turned around and I hung the phone up. And I dropped to my knees and thanked God, because that was such a blessing. And it only came from God.